How did I find my first ATM location? That's what we're going to talk about in this video. Hey there, my name is Carey Buck. I've been an independent ATM business owner since 2009, and I've been an ATM business mentor since 2011. That's why I teach people just like you how to start and grow your own profitable ATM business. By the way, folks come to me to learn the ATM business, and honestly, they want to start the ATM business for different reasons. Right? Some folks want to get out of their 9-to-5 job. Some folks want to supplement their retirement. Some folks want the ATM business to be their retirement, basically, right? Some folks want more control over their investments. Some folks are, they're like, you know what? I've been working so hard for my money my whole life. I want my money to start working hard for me. So there's all different reasons why folks want to start an ATM business and why they want to learn from me, right? But if you would like to learn more about the ATM business, or if you'd like me to teach you how to start your own profitable ATM business, you can go to atmtrainingvideo.com. Again, that's atmtrainingvideo.com. Okay, so someone asked me on a video that I posted the other day, they asked me, hey, how did you get your first location? And I thought that was a great question. Like, what a simple but pretty great question, right? So that's what I'm going to tell you. I'm going to tell you how I got my first location. So what I did was, and you know what? I'm going to tell you how I got my first location, and then I'm going to challenge you to do the same thing that I did, okay? On this video, I'm going to challenge you to do something, take some action, all right? So what I did was, at the time when we started our ATM business, that's 2009, I had a full-time job. Of course, I have a family, a wife, 2 stepkids. 2009, they were what? That's like, hold on, let me do the math. They were 17 and 9. Okay, so it's 9-year-old and 17-year-old. My wife, cats. We had 4 cats at that time. Full-time job, family, and I was doing real estate on the side. Okay, so 2009 we started the ATM business. Now I had a lot going on, right? So I didn't like say, okay, I'm gonna go out every day and talk to business owners, or I didn't say I'm gonna spend 10 hours a week starting this business. That's not what I did. Like, I didn't do that. What I did was I just incorporated it into my life where it fit. Let me explain. So the way we got our first location was this. We went to a Chinese restaurant that we normally would go to for Chinese food. So we went to this Chinese restaurant one night to order Chinese food, and we noticed they didn't have an ATM. So I struck up the conversation and asked them about if they've ever thought about having an ATM in here. Turns out they had thought about it. So we had the conversation, and I got my first yes that day. And what I did was, I was like, wow, there's this other place right around the corner. Like, I was on this high now, right? Because I just got my first yes. I'm like, yeah, I can do anything, right? I can conquer the world now, right? So what I did was I went around the corner, because there was this it's like a pastry shop, I guess. I guess that's what it is. It was like a pastry shop, I guess. I don't know how to describe it. But I asked them, and they said yes. So the first day, I had 2 yeses. That is not normally how it happens, just so you know. But that's how it happened for me. Like, that's how I got my first location. It was in a place that I already frequented, right? So it was a warm lead. We already had a relationship. I was already a customer there, right? So you can do the same thing. Think about places you already go to, restaurants, barbershops, hair salons, nail salons, anywhere you already go and frequent as a customer. Do they have an ATM? If no, why can't it be yours? Do they have an ATM? If yes, is it always broken down? Is it always out of cash? If so, why can't it be your new ATM you put in there, right? So start with places you already go. Make a list right now. Pause my video right now and physically write down a list of 5 locations that you can go to, that you can think of right now. 5 locations that you go to every week or every month. And write them down. Those are going to be your first spots that you think about putting an ATM in, or maybe have the conversation. I recommend you learn how to have the conversation first, right? Because it's really easy to say, hey, have you ever thought about putting an ATM in your location? That's easy to say. The part where people get messed up on, and the part where you can lose credibility on and lose a deal, is after that fact, right? When they start asking questions and you're just like, right? So I encourage you, to scope these spots out But I encourage you to get trained, hopefully by me. I mean, if you get trained by me, like, you'll be awesome. Um, and then you'll be able to handle that, conversation, right? But write down 5 right now. There's no excuse for you not to stop this video and write down 5 spots right now, okay? And know that those are your first 5 that you're going to try to secure as your first location, And just so you know, that second ATM we placed in the pastry shop, it didn't last long. The pastry shop got shut down, and we ended up moving the ATM. But that very first ATM, the very first yes I got in that Chinese restaurant, that is the ATM that to this day has the highest volume transactions every single month. As a matter of fact, you know what I'm going to do? It's either going to be right there or right here. I don't know where it shows up. But it's going to be right here or right here. And it'll be the video of that location in January and how much it made in January. It's always the highest number of transactions. It's always the highest volume, but it's not always the highest dollar amount because we do events and we have strip clubs that have a $9 surcharge, right? But it's always the highest volume of transactions. Actually, now that I think about it, it probably wouldn't be during event season. It's probably not the highest volume because the mobile machines usually crush it, But of the permanent placement locations, the machines that are in businesses, it's always the highest volume. Okay, still to this day, right? Still to this day, I mean, it makes a good $900 to over $1,000 every month, and we've had that location since 2009. Now, in 2009, it was probably doing $600 to $800 a month. But now, I mean, it's clear $900 to over $1,000 a month. Easy. Yeah, so that's what could happen if you listen to me and you make that list of those 5 spots, and you now think to yourself, okay, these are going to be, one of my first locations. Let me get some training from Carey and learn what I'm doing. By the way, make sure you like this video. Like it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, click that ATM right there, subscribe to this channel, okay? But yeah, if you would like me to help you, I'd be more than happy to help you. You have to have at least $6,000 to start this business. If you want to get into the mobile side of stuff, I recommend you have at least $10,000. But if you want to start just like putting them in local businesses, $6,000 will get you started. Don't post below how much is your training, how much is an ATM, how much cash should I put in it. $6,000 will get you my entry-level training. It'll get you your first ATM. It'll get you, some cash to put in your first ATM. Okay, $6,000 is. It probably should be like $6,200, $6,500, but $6,000 will do it. Okay, and no, you don't give me the $6,000, right? You buy your own machine, you put your own cash in it, but that's the total amount you need to get started, right? So if you have at least $6,000 and you would like me to help you start your new ATM business, then you want to go to atmtrainingvideo.com. Again, that's atmtrainingvideo.com. Enter your email. And by the way, on that page, that's going to show you that Chinese restaurant from the month of January too. That first page. So enter your email. But on the next page is where you want to fill out your application. Okay, because I have an application process to become a student of mine. So you're going to fill out that application, and then after you submit it, you're going to be taken to a calendar. Pick a time, and you're going to schedule a call so you can talk to someone from my team. What they're going to do is they're going to go over your goals with you. And together, you're going to figure out which one of my training programs is going to be best for you. All right? And then, boom, I'm going to help you kick butt with ATMs. And that list of 5, we're going to get you one of them. We're going to get you one of them, hopefully, right? Hopefully that made sense. If you have any questions, please post them below. Any questions about this? Any other questions? If you have any ideas about my next video that you want me to make, post that below, right? This video right here came from somebody posting something below on another video that I had, right? So I read all the comments. I'm the one that answers all the comments. All the comments on the YouTube's videos, all the comments on the Facebook group, right? The free Facebook group, obviously all the comments on the student-only Facebook group, all the comments on the ads, right? So the dipshits that type stupid shit, I'm the one that responds back to them, right? And the people that type real questions and logical questions and ideas, I'm the one that responds, right? I'm the one that responds. So if you have any questions or any ideas for the next video, post them below. I'll see them, right? All right, so listen, atmtrainingvideo.com if you'd like me to help you. Remember, you have to have at least $6,000 to start your business. And have a great day. I look forward to helping you, and may you live happily off of passive income.